How can we set up a bot to automatically reply to messages when we are not online on Telegram? With this method, you can achieve this without needing to buy Telegram Premium. You will be able to automatically reply to your users while you are offline. To do this, you need to access the BotFather bot, which you can easily find by searching for BotFather. After you have searched for BotFather, you enter it, press start, and then you select the new bot option. Once you have selected new bot, you choose a name for your bot. When you have picked a name, you must add the word bot to the end, otherwise the bot will give you an error. Look here, I am getting an error again. And once you have typed it in correctly, it will provide you with a token. This is your private token, and no one else should ever have access to it. Please note that this video is strictly for educational purposes, and I will be changing the token afterwards. Once you have obtained your token, go to the website. We go to Cloudflare. Once you enter this website using the accounts you already have, once you have the token, we go to the Cloudflare site. We then navigate to the Create section. We click on Complete and then proceed to create a new worker. At the top of the page, you will see the option to create an application. Click on it. Click on the Create option and it will provide you with a code. Then you simply click Deploy. Once it has been successfully created for you, click on Edit and Code. If you need to obtain a code, I am placing the code in the description below. Please be sure to copy it. Okay? We press Ctrl-Alt and then we input that code into this area and click Deploy so it saves. If it says success, then that means it is correct. After that, we go back to the main page, and once we enter the workspace page, we click this option. We enter the settings. In this section, in this very first option, we select Add, and then you copy your token. In this section, you write an S for it, then you input the token here and click Deploy. It has been saved successfully. Alright, now we return to Robot and Robot here.
Thank you.
When you start up, your robot will be activated and everyone will tell you that they are not online and will contact you soon.